Hey everyone, I'm Wes Seago, and this is ASD Term 1301 project review for week 4. And in this video, I'm going to show you my app. I'm going to go over what went well this week, what didn't go so well, what skills I relied on for this, and my thoughts on the simulator and the emulator. And I'm going to try to make this really fast because I'm running out of time. First thing is I'm going to go through my app, and I'll tell you it's over here on the left, I've got it in the Android simulator. On the right, I have it in my iPhone simulator. On the left, it's hooked up to Cloudit. On the right, it's hooked up to my my local database. I'm going to run through it really fast this way. This is hooked up to the local database. This is the home page, the add event page, and my load data page. And I have 20 events in here that are stored. Actually, I have 21 now because I was playing around and I made one there for Jen. I'm going to go ahead and go in and delete that one. Show you how that works. Once it's done, it'll go back over to the current data page. You'll see that that's gone. For add event, do the same thing. I'm going to use Jen again because got my family's names in the rest of them, so it'll be really quick to find. So just going to figure that Jen's got a headache. She's been grading papers all night. She's going to take 2 Tylenol. Make that for every 4 hours. Put in the date. Notes. Headache. And submit. Get the event saved. Go back up. You see that that's there again. And if we want to edit that event, move over here, and this is what's happened. All of a sudden, I had this working 2 days ago, no problem. Today, well, I shouldn't say today, I should start with the beginning of the month. I've been having some kind of a strange problem with my jQuery database, or my jQuery. I've updated, I've tried some different things, but today everything was running perfectly, and then as soon as I pushed everything out to Cloudit, I started getting this strange error from Cloudit. And I'll show you what that does. If I go over here to load data, well, now it didn't even show it. There it is. Unexpected token. You know, I've looked on my end. There's nothing there. I mean, I didn't change anything on the app. It's just something that's constant. All these problems started whenever I pushed this out to Cloudit. At first it wouldn't push at all. You know, and last week I didn't have any trouble with that at all. It just went straight out the first time. But this week I had to manually put it up there. First time I put it up there, about maybe 1 in 3 times that I ran it, I would run into this error. And after, you know, this Android simulator is like ridiculously slow. But after I put it out there, I ultimately killed that database, started completely over this afternoon, made a new database. It got worse. I actually did that 3 different times. I killed my database, started over again, and every time I did that, it got worse and worse and worse. So I don't know what's going on with that. I mean, I don't know if there's something in there that is corrupted, but pretty disgusted by it because I put a really lot of time into this application this week, and for it to, you know, kind of hang me out to dry here in the final hour. I missed the Super Bowl tonight looking at that, so I don't know. I'm going to have to play with it and figure it out and see what went wrong, but hopefully I can get that figured out. As far as, I mean, that'll pretty much tell you what went bad this week. What went good? Well, I learned a lot. I mean, this was a pretty heavy-duty week, but I really did learn a lot. What skills do you need to get through this week? I mean, obviously it's back to the JavaScript. Everything was related to JavaScript. The rest of the stuff's pretty easy to find. So, and then getting to the simulator and the emulator. You know, I love the Apple, their iPhone simulator. It always works well. It's rock solid. This Android simulator is just total junk. I mean, you know, hopefully there's going to be some better tools. I can only hope that by the time we get to Java and begin to actually use the Android developer phone, that won't experience these types of problems. But this this thing is just ridiculously slow. I mean, it would be a 10, 15, 20-minute long video if I had to actually demo this app with it. So anyway, that's it. I hope everybody had a great week, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.